Time check, it's 3:23. Alam mo na pa, ma. Lagyan mo niya ako ito. Hindi kitang... Ready na ba ang lahat, guys? Bye, Mama Mary. See you on Tuesday. Ready na ba ang lahat? Where's Jero? It's okay. Okay. Sino nandito? Leah, check. Cleo, check. Gladys, check. Nag-roll call na ako. Yung wala, may iwan. Romel. Ating Nika. Ay, hindi po yung pugi. Nandi niya po yung minunaya po yung Billy. Kapugi na, oh. Ashley and KCG. Atin Ted, nandun niya po, minunaya pala ang Dili, aliwa pala ni muna, itita Ted pala. Hello! Okay, good morning! Kuha ba yung para may kuha naman ako? Okay.
Pwede ano?
Pwede yung hand carry.
Oh, wait mo, wow pa.
Seriously, halina ko! 4 days kang mag-uwi. Tingnan pala ka rin. It's okay. Pwede yung magdalang vape ako. Okay. Okay. Nakahabol. Nang before 3:30, PCM. Si Jiro, bumalik, kukuha na. It's gonna grab a vape. Okay, let's go, let's go. Careful, Leah. Careful. Kaya ni bebe. Okay. Pogi. Pogi, oh. Happy? Mama. Sarap. Terminal 2. Tama, Kenitan Terminal 2. Alright. Oh, dahan-dahan. Okay, so we're here with PC. Oh, Mika. There. We're already there. Paano ko lapas? So, pa ko lapas. Hey, good morning. We're here. Oh, Ashley. Wala, at mainggit ka hanggang gusto mo. Chay mo. Ayan. O, tara. Tayo naman. Oh, look at you. Huh? Oh, nice. The airport is so nice. Oh. Look. Oh, mga kasama ko. Saan tayo pupunta? Sa Hong Kong. Ay, kaya hatang ko. Alay pa pala. Maaga pa lang masyado. Departure. Tara. Nakutang tayo mo kayo ng information. Okay, so just look at our gate. So our gate would be on gate C. On that area. That departure. Okay, tara. Ayun tayo. So gate C tayo. May kit-kikit ng kahit. Tara na. Domestic bag drop. Parang. Yeah. Come here.
Sabihin ko yung ano ka naman maka-online check na naman.
Maka-online checking lang pero kailangan dahan ng kai. Tama! Kaya hindi pakirat ko nga siya nakatika eh. Oh, tara, Dave. Tara, magtayo tayo sa 7-Eleven. Laway tangkay. Sure ka? Yung bangko namin for bringing. Because one bag exceeded 7 kilos. Okay, so it's okay now?
Ano ito? Ini pala yung mabayat. I-check.
Diyos me, Margot. So, pila niya kanya yung glads? Pila niya kayo ni 7.7.
Actually, pwede tayo naman lipat ka ito. Nang bagi kasakap.
How much she weigh? How much our baby weigh?
Wow!
Ubos mo dal. Straight lang.
Straight.
Ubos mo dal.
Straight mo na.
Okay, don't move.
Oh.
14.3. Okay, more milk. Okay, tay, pakitanggal mo na si baby.
3 Cleo 10 nyo.
Cleo.
Grabe.
Ini nga, kaya mo.
Ano siya?
Si Sia naman, si Sunshine. Tingnan naman natin kung ilang kilo si Sunshine.
Oh, 9 yam. 9 yam, masabay.
Sige, sa tayo namang 9.4. Pero mas mabay, chick. Ayun, 10 pounds siya Cleo, di ba? 10 kilo siya. Oh, alam mo na, Glads, i-diet ng konti. Hi, Pogi. Leah, come here. Leah, come here. Oh? We're waiting for our boarding time.
We are waiting for...
Time check, it's 5:35. Eh? And our boarding time is 6:40, so we still have an hour. Okay, oh. Yati KCM. Yes, Gijo. KCG. Who are you?
I don't know.
Aba. Ano, pag naubusan na tayo ng cash, alam na this. Iwan ito sa Boracay. Ayun. Hello. Ay, tawagan natin si Kulotay. Ay, it's ano na pala, it's already time. Later, pag nasa ano na natin. Okay, so, we are with Cleo. Cleo. We're here by the food court. Okay. Mano, magpo-post ka na ba?
Just my...
Just waited. Mag-story ka na ba? Leah. Mag-story na ba siya? Huh? What? You want some water? Natin. Sige. So, this is how it looks like inside the airport. So, the second floor is where the restaurants. Actually, there are only two. And there's only one fast food on the windows. Nagtapicture rin tayo. Baka ating kasolo. So, there's a foreign exchange. Kala ko Lululemon. Lulu money pala. Lululemon. Okay, so kape-kape muna pag may time. Check 6:15. Where's Sunshine?
Pait? Pait, no?
Bumili sila na. May binili sila? Nagkape din sila?
Dalawa, no? Pait pa rin, dalawa?
So, this is how I look here. Then a quick video of the overview of Clark International Airport. It's not too big. It's just a decent size airport. Mga walang tulog. Mga paniki. Yan o. Ali po, tanami. Female. Yan, diretso mo. Ito mo cute. Okay, so time check, it's 6:40. Okay, we're done with the check-in. From the check-in counter. Okay, no? Ayan, no? Itatayo, ginawa ya. He said he forgot his wallet. We were all worried. Gosh. Ikit kayo pa mo kinang lisensya eh. Okay. Malawat siya ba kayo na glass? Ay, malawat yun po. Ay, nakakito. Kayo ni. Okay, oh. I'm the camera woman. Ay, wala ko akong kasama. Beauty and Goop. My gate. Oh, gates 1 to 2. Penny. There. Here, this way. Here. Ayun. Hey, gani. Gate 2. Come here. Oh, we're waiting. Ako. Dalawang pinagmanahan ko. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Dapat dito tayo nagkape kanina, no? Dito na lang sana tayo tumambay, no? Ito pala yung ano. Kasi, we waited upstairs. So, this one, oh, there are lots of nice restaurants. Atay, if you wanna go to the washroom first before
Washroom.
our boarding.
Before boarding,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is our boarding.
boarding.
Gate 2. Okay. 7:25. So we can just wait here.
Sila.
There, oh. Here. Wala nang mga upuan. Dito na.
Diyan, airplane.
Ha? Kaya hindi na kayo mo marakaloklukan. Maglaway kayo loklukan. Uy, yung Baguio yung lalakwang kitong. Antori kay, antori siyan. Siya, makaloklukan nila. Mel, retang Baguio. Uy, ligayo kayo ni. Hi. Leah, oh, are you excited? Leah, are you excited? Okay. Hey, ganda. Oh, ay. Are you ready to swim? Are you ready to swim? Hey. Wala ba natin na yung masunting ako ah. Video yan ini. Eh, kasayada po. Sayada po rin chikite. Dati yung swimming na swimming na. O baka mahulog. Ano, pwede na, pwede na. Pwede na, pwede na. So it's only the gate 1, 2. Yeah, only the gate 1 and 2. Open. For boarding, ah? Kulit. Gulo ng English. Dito, mga bata, nagkakagulo po. Oo, dahan-dahan. Kita tayo na. May na natin sila para magsabay-sabay na tayo. Yan sila, oh. Ayun, ayun, oh. Ay, nag-video ko lang. Huli.
Yo.
So, yeah, we're going inside the plane. Hello. Say hi to the video. Where are you going? I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna swim. Where are we going? Off to Boracay. CM, Jira, Ate there. Jira. Dating there. Botang hang sunod-sunod tayo naman eh. We'll see. Ako, makakapagbigay ako ng daan.
17C.
B.
Hindi, 17 biyak pa kamo eh.
B ka, o siya si C. Ako si I. Yating Tet, 20. O, 20 na niyang lahat yung kakating Tet. 20 na niya yung kaka. Nice. Okay. So, let's look for our seat. Let's check it out. 11 na. No, 14 na yun eh. Naka-number. Yeah, sige. Sa akin nakakin. 14E? 14E ka? Yeah, yapin yun. Kaya kang libutan.
Sa akin po.
14E. Oh, pareho kayo?
47, 46 po siya.
Alin na?
Ah, ganda ba yan?
Ba't pareho kayong seat guy? 14F. Ah, niya, kayo ni kayo. Kaya dulo yan. Ako po. Oh, sa dulo ka. Si Giro sa liputan. Yeah, you can put your baggage there.
Hi everyone, to accommodate all hand-carried items, may we please request our guests to priority.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Kalot. Hi, Be. You're sure here, Carson. Maingit ka, Kalot. You're so good. No, tayo? Ay, naku. Oh, tingnan mo yung nasa likod. Oh, Lia. Say hi. Hi, Ate Laya mo. Maingit ka mo. Hi, Ate Lai. Ito, Glenn. Hello. Hey, Justin. You're sitting on the trail. There's a Pujiro there. They're checking all the passengers and then they're looking for Ate Zane because she is booked for this flight. Dang, Tita Sen, shout out sa'yo. Hinahanap ka dito sa Cebu Pacific. Okay, bye-bye.
13. Thank you for choosing to fly Cebu Pacific and welcome aboard Flight 5J1113. Airbus A320 jet service. We are bound for Caticlan, Boracay. We apologize for the late departure of this aircraft. This is due to the late arrival of this aircraft from its parking stand a while ago. And we'll try to expedite our flight safely as soon as we get airport. For your information, our flight time is 50 minutes. Cruising altitude of 27.
One of the aircraft is Captain Kevin Noy Morales, ably assisted by First Officer Chen Chang. Our flying time is approximately 50 minutes.
Oh, 50 minutes mo. That's quick, man. Parang, ano lang. 50 minutes. It's like from San Vicente to Mount Saman mo, 1 hour. 5-0 mo.
Happy lang ano? Yes, yes.
Did you see the sky? Did you see the clouds? Nice.
Being happy.
Show your happy face. Kuya Romel. Oh, where's your... Uy, sweet na. Oh, what about Cleo? Ay, yan pala natin. Happy yung bangis siya Ate Lia.
Sila Justin.
Nandun sila tayo. 14 sila eh. 14E. By the front. Itong organ natin. Yeah. Sunshine! Video ka pa lang rin, Sunshine. Ay, oh, ne.
Chang. We are excited having the team on this flight to make it from Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was indeed our pleasure having all on board, and we do hope to see you again on one of your future flights with us. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is still on. For your safety, please remain seated. Manatili lang po nakaupo. Once again, the seatbelt sign is still on. Please take your seat.
Airport.
Gusto mo
Boracay.
pantanggalin daw yung seatbelt.
Ha? Tatanggalin?
Oo, sabihin pa daw kung kailan ano. Sana matatigas ako. Unahan tayo na lang. Ayun, mamipatutod yatin, Ted. It was just a quick ride. It was a smooth flight. We just landed here in Tiklan.
Tayo, tayo may marong talaga niya.
It's okay, ma. Nakailang plane ride yun na.
Kaya
Isa ka malagwa na.
kaya makalibutan ko ka rin.
Hey, that's clear.
Excuse me, sir.
Ang galing mong
Help me ako.
Yes, you can help yourself.
dalawang sakay.
Okay.
Maganda naman yung hold mo na. Hold mo ini, hold mo.
Kita na sa Vicente, patutod ka.
Oh. Libo ako.
Ano ka na ka? Boracay. Boracay. Katiklan Airport.
Puro maulap.
Yeah.
Ulap. Where's that?
Sumiyata nga.
Are you excited to swim? What about you, Ty? Are you excited to swim? Oh, nice. And bro? Hi, bro. We are here. Nene, Kuya Jiro at saka